Are you an accounting or bookkeeping professional who imports bank statements into spreadsheets? Or a tax and financial planning professional who serves clients using CSV or Excel? Perhaps you're a small business owner who uses spreadsheets to manage finances for your business. Imagine having a software that converts virtually any PDF bank statement into the .csv format for easy import into your financial management software. How much easier would your life be? Well, quit imagining and say hello to MoneyThumb. MoneyThumb's converters create efficiencies for busy professionals and small business owners like you who use spreadsheets. Our converters enable you to easily bring financial records up to date with the PDF converter that utilizes intelligent document recognition, or IDR technology, specialized for bank statements. It works with both native and scanned PDFs. MoneyThumb Spreadsheet Converters get historical transaction data from your bank into your accounting software. Most banks only provide this data in PDF format, which some accounting software products do not import. That's where our software comes in handy to simplify your work. So instead of having to manually enter transactional data, which leads to a tremendous amount of wasted time and potential errors, simply use MoneyThumb Spreadsheet Converter. Getting started is easy. Once you've installed the software, our CSV converter offers an easy-to-use interface with step-by-step instructions on how to convert your files into .csv formats. Files can be uploaded with a simple drag-and-drop process. You can set up your conversion preferences for each account type, or click the Switch to Wizard button and let the software do the work for you. Additionally, a payee cleanup settings feature enables auto-assisted transaction payee cleanup processes that eliminates manual payee cleanup, saving you a lot of time. Once you hit the Create button, your file will be saved as a CSV file on your desktop for easy import into your accounting software. Visit us today to start enjoying the amazing benefits of MoneyThumb Spreadsheet Converter.